quite a magical evening, and we always look forward to it every year. Grimsby, North East Lincolnshire, actually really appreciate the good old start to Christmas. Late night shopping, of course. So yeah, it's really exciting stuff.
I think it is a good sort of family night out. It's good to do things in a local community and get everyone together. And obviously it's just really good to be a part of it.
And the lights on the Christmas tree. Yeah, Rudolph knows with his big red nose he's keeping Santa company. I can't wait for Christmas.
They were dead weird because the skin felt weird. They are going to be flying in the sky just to keep up presents on. He should have brought all his reindeer instead of just 2. I think the rest of his reindeer would have been at where?
North Pole.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah. Oh, it's about time something like this happened in Grimsby. We go away to different towns and we go to markets and think, why couldn't it be in Grimsby? Now it's here. Fantastic.
Amazing. My 2 have loved it. My goddaughters have loved it. It's been, yeah, amazing.
It's the time of year that people come together. It's the time of year that everything's alright. Time for Christmas films and songs, so everybody sing along. Lots of food and drink and parties running on into the night. I can't wait for Christmas. And the lights on the Christmas tree. Yeah, Rudolph knows with his big red nose he's keeping Santa company. I can't wait for Christmas.
I think it's gone amazingly well tonight. Really busy outside, which is great. Lots of brilliant street entertainment for the public to enjoy. So really good.
It can work both ways. See you now.
We've opened effectively the event together with young Skylar B, who is our local hero. Miraculous, marvellous, stunningly successful. It raises our profile nationally and internationally. We're great in Grimsby, that's why it's called Great Grimsby.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, everyone! Christmas 2014!
Happy Christmas!
I'm absolutely delighted. The Christmas Light Switch On team have been working really hard for about a year now to deliver tonight's event. It's gone really well and everybody's loved it. The first year was really good. We made it better last year and this year it's just been fantastic.